green smoothie. This is what we needed today.
Oh, good morning. We are here in Great Barrington, Massachusetts, and as you can see behind me, it is raining today, which is actually in the forecast for the unforeseeable future, literally. It says 6 to 7 days of rain, but it's moving northward, so it's basically following us. So a big shout out to Beth at Ascendia Group in Siesta Key, Florida, who helped us with our motel last night so we weren't sleeping in the rain, and we greatly appreciate it very, very much. So now we're trying to like mentally get ourselves ready here to go out hiking in the rain for the next week. But it is what it is. We're on the Appalachian Trail, we're going into summer, and we're gonna have to keep pushing forward no matter what. So we are also here getting picked up by Joe, who I just see parked down there. Amazing shuttle driver who's going to drive us back to trail this morning. He picked us up yesterday. He was in the Far Out app, so I highly recommend. Took us down here to the hotel and is here to take us back to trail right now. So wish us luck. We're going to head out there, just take our time, and we actually are going to see how far we're going to get today. Well, good afternoon. We are embracing the suck today. It is just raining all day. We are soaking wet, but it's like a warm rain. So I feel like I'm in Florida right now in the summer, hiking in the rain. And I actually love Florida summers when they rain. So it's actually quite delightful, except for we're gonna be wet until further notice. So that's the part that's like sucky. But anyways, it's very nice. It's actually a pretty hike. It's not too strenuous yet anyways, or dangerous, like with sketchy, slippery rocks in the rain. So really praying that it stays that way today while it's actively on and off raining. So, but all is good otherwise. Well, this lake is a little bit flooded right now, so this should be fun. It's literally on the dam of it. Maybe it's a beaver dam that's overflowing. Oh boy.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Ouch. This is literally so beautiful right now. This forest. No. Wow. Look at that beautiful home, farm, whatever that is. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous. Oh, and so those are pretty too. Hi. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, they're so cute little flowers. Oh, and these flowers too.